What's going on, everyone? My name is Amel and welcome to the channel, and this is the review of the TreVolo S Bluetooth speaker, which is this little guy right here. So let's get to it. Let's see what we get in the box, beginning with the user manual and quick start guide, a micro USB power adapter, power attachments to power the adapter, a carrying case, and the TreVolo S in the middle. The TreVolo S does come in two different color styles, black and white, which is what we have in the video. One thing I noticed as soon as I picked the speaker up, it's the weight of it. It's exactly 1 kilogram. I think that's great because I feel like that would make it more durable. The design is unique. The body of the speaker is made completely out of metal, which you don't see too often nowadays. This portable speaker has a playback time of 18 hours, depending on the user, of course. It does have dual amplifiers and dual woofers. Another unique thing about the TreVolo S is the 3D sound capabilities, which is going to give you the ability to have an immersive experience. Almost feels like the music is live while you're listening to it. There is another dual mode that lets you pair two of these speakers together and stream music at the same time to give you more of a stereo feel. In other words, if you're hosting a party and you have two of these playing at the same time, the party will be banging. On top is where you will find all your controls, such as Bluetooth, power, volume up and down, play, pause, NFC, and of course the mode button. In the back, you have the micro USB charging port as well as an audio jack output. On the sides, we have the electrostatic speakers that flip out, which we will talk more about later in the video. Let's listen to some samples of music, that way you can hear the type of sounds that the TreVolo S can produce. I will switch between regular and the 3D mode, that way you can get a feel for the difference in sound. Hopefully you guys can hear this. I really like the sound that the TreVolo S produces. Rich bass which does not overpower like some of the other popular brands out there, let's just say that. The highs bring out the clarity in a song, especially instrumental and classical music. You can really hear the clarity, which I think that's where you can really see the capabilities of the TreVolo S. What is an electrostatic speaker? To keep it simple, electrostatic speakers have fixed metal plates on either side and a thin plastic moving plate between them that work like regular speakers, but these have no magnets and are powered by electric currents. The TreVolo S is around 200 Canadian dollars on Amazon, so if you wish to purchase it, I have a link in the description. Keep in mind, it is an affiliated link, so if you do purchase that speaker with that link, you are basically helping the channel out, so thank you for that. My final thought on the TreVolo S is very simple. If you love looseless music, you will definitely enjoy the clarity of this speaker. If you like music that produces lots of bass, such as hip-hop, you may not enjoy this as much because the bass on this speaker does not overpower the rest of the frequencies. Now, with that said, I do listen to a lot of hip-hop and I really like the sound that the TreVolo S produces for hip-hop when it comes to the bass and the overall sound quality. You may not agree with this, but that's just my own personal preference. I'm not that big on bass, a whole lot of bass when it comes to listening to music. One thing I wish it was a bit better is the overall volume when listening to music. It's not bad by any means, I just wish that it could have been a little bit louder, I guess you can say. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that's the most important part, right? Anyways, I'm just kidding, y'all. But be safe out there, and peace out.